Imagine opening a door and instead of finding another room, you find another world. Quite an intriguing thought, isn't it? This idea of doors in space leading to other worlds has been a captivating theme that has gripped the minds of many across the globe. It's been the cornerstone of countless science fiction and fantasy tales, colorfully painted on the canvas of our imaginations. From the magical wardrobe in C.S. Lewis's Chronicles of Narnia to the stargates in the eponymous television series, these doorways to the unknown have captured our collective curiosity. They've given way to exhilarating adventures, explorations of the uncharted, and encounters with the unimaginable. But what makes these narrative devices so fascinating isn't just their fantastical nature, it's the tantalizing question they pose. Could these doorways actually exist in the universe we inhabit? Now you might be thinking, surely these are just figments of imaginative minds, right? Well, not necessarily. There's a growing body of theoretical physics that suggests the possibility of such doorways, or wormholes as they're scientifically known. These are theoretical passages through space-time that could create shortcuts for long journeys across the universe. While wormholes are yet to be observed, their existence is a legitimate prediction of the general theory of relativity. Even if they are purely theoretical at this point, the very fact that they could exist is enough to stir the pot of our curiosity. It challenges our understanding of the universe and the laws that govern it. It forces us to question the seemingly impossible and venture beyond the boundaries of our current understanding. So, the next time you reach for that door handle, take a moment to ponder. What lies on the other side? Is it just another room? Or could it be a bridge to another world, another dimension, another universe? What if I told you that these doors might not just be the stuff of fiction? The idea of doors in space to other worlds isn't as far-fetched as you might think. The key to understanding this lies in the fascinating realm of theoretical physics, specifically the concept of wormholes. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is a wormhole? Well, simply put, a wormhole is a theoretical passage through space-time, created by folding the fabric of the universe itself. Think of it like a tunnel with two ends, each in separate points in space and time. Just like a door, a wormhole could allow us to travel from one location to another almost instantaneously, thus acting as a shortcut through the cosmos. It's like taking an intergalactic elevator, bypassing the constraints of light-speed travel. But of course, it's not as simple as it sounds. For a wormhole to exist, we would need conditions involving extreme gravitational forces, the kind that exist near black holes. These conditions would cause a ripple in the fabric of space-time, creating a tunnel or wormhole. However, there is a catch. The immense gravitational pull of a black hole could potentially crush anything that attempts to pass through it. So how could we possibly use wormholes for travel? Here's where exotic matter comes in. Theoretical physicists suggest that exotic matter, a type of matter that has negative energy density, could be used to stabilize a wormhole. This means that if we could somehow harness and control exotic matter, we could potentially keep a wormhole open long enough for us to pass through it. It's a daunting task, yes, but not entirely outside the realm of possibility. Bear in mind, though, that these are all theoretical concepts. As of now, we have no concrete evidence of wormholes or exotic matter, but the beauty of science lies in its endless pursuit of knowledge and understanding. So in theory, stepping through a door and ending up in another world could be possible. All we need is a little bit of imagination, a whole lot of exotic matter, and a dash of theoretical physics. Before you start planning your interstellar vacation, there are a few things you should know. Firstly, let's talk about the elephant in the room, creating a wormhole. Theoretical physicists believe that to construct a wormhole, we would need to harness a form of energy with negative density. Now, this isn't your everyday kind of energy. This is exotic energy, a theoretical concept which, unfortunately, we have yet to discover in our universe. Not to mention, even if we do find it, amassing the right amount of such energy to build a wormhole would be a monumental task. Secondly, maintaining a wormhole isn't as simple as building it. We're talking about a structure that connects two different points in space-time. It's not just about creating it, but also ensuring it doesn't collapse on itself. The stability of a wormhole is a delicate balance. Any slight change could cause it to implode, making it a one-way trip to oblivion. Next, let's consider the potential dangers of using a wormhole. Theoretical physicists propose that traversing through a wormhole could be a risky venture. The intense gravitational fields could rip apart anything that attempts to pass through. Imagine being stretched out like a piece of spaghetti as you're sucked into the wormhole. a phenomenon astrophysicists charmingly call spaghettification. Doesn't sound like the most enjoyable trip, does it? Lastly, the idea of doors in space also presents philosophical and ethical challenges. If we could hop between worlds at will, what would that mean for our understanding of reality? Would we be prepared to handle the potential consequences, both intended and unintended? Sure, the idea of doors in space to other worlds is enticing. It sparks our curiosity, fuels our love for exploration, and embodies our desire to understand the universe. But like any great idea, it comes with its fair share of hurdles. As exciting as the idea of doors in space to other worlds is, it's not without its challenges. Despite these challenges, the concept of doors in space to other worlds has profound implications for our understanding of the universe. Imagine if we could step through a door and emerge in an entirely different part of the cosmos. This isn't just the stuff of science fiction, it could also revolutionize our understanding of physics and the very nature of the universe. Such a door could potentially bypass the constraints of the speed of light, allowing us to travel vast cosmic distances in an instant. This would challenge our current understanding of space-time and potentially force us to rethink the foundational principles of physics. Moreover, these interstellar doors could provide us with a unique tool to confirm or refute our theories about the universe. By stepping through, we could directly observe and measure phenomena that until now have only been accessible through the lens of a telescope or the equations of a physicist. Consider the possibilities for exploration and discovery. We could examine the furthest galaxies, observe black holes up close, or even encounter alien life forms. But the implications go beyond scientific curiosity. These doors could be the solution to the survival of our species. As resources on Earth dwindle, they could be our ticket to colonizing other worlds. Yet it's not just about human survival or scientific discovery. Such doors could fundamentally change our perspective. They could show us that we are not isolated entities, but part of a vast and interconnected cosmos. We often think of the universe as something out there, separate from us. But if we could step through a door and emerge in a different part of the cosmos, wouldn't that blur the line between us and the universe? Wouldn't that make us a part of the cosmos in a very tangible way? In essence, doors in space to other worlds could redefine our place in the universe, making us active participants rather than passive observers. Doors in space to other worlds might be more than just a cool idea. They could be key to unlocking the secrets of the universe. To sum up, doors in space to other worlds are a fascinating concept that blends science fiction with real-world physics. It's an idea that seems to have jumped straight from the pages of a sci-fi novel, but it's grounded in the theories of some of the greatest minds in physics. We've delved into the scientific basis for these doors, exploring the mind-bending principles of quantum mechanics and wormholes.